Welcome to this presentation on traffic analysis of Dementia Singapore. In this report, we will explore the insight into user engagement, retention and acquisition, as well as the identify key trends and actionable recommendation. The sheet one is Dementia Traffic Analysis. The objective is about to provide a high level of overview overall performance. The first chart I have used the chart card chart new card chart. This metric shows the total number of unique users who have visited the website. The second card chart is the view per session. They indicate the average number of page views per section. High number of suggest users engage with multiple pages. The third chart, new card chart, the new users. This shows the number of users who visited the website for the first time. The fourth chart is the engagement rate. The percentage indicate who engage the users with the website content. The fifth chart is the views, the total number of page views on the website. Sixth chart is returning users. The metrics show the number of users who return to the website. The seventh chart, the earliest app section duration. This might be anomaly since it references a early date 30/12/1899 with a specific duration. Next chart is donor chart. What what donor chart? Distribution of new versus returning users. 80% of 80%, 18.19% of users are new users, while only 19.81% are returning users. The next chart is year-over-year changes in total users. Year-over-year, the total changes. Here, the total users show a decline in total users between 2024 to 2025. Same in year-over change in new users. The new users are similarly new users have decreased significantly over the same period. The last chart of this sheet is monthly distribution of users, active, new, and returning totals. The peak actives occur in October, 22.4K total users, while other months like February and September also show the notable activities. The lowest activity is observed in May and December. The second sheet is user acquisition and retention. The objective is focus on understanding users acquisition, how well users are retained over time. The first chart I have used the table chart where high retention rate, low retention rate, new users, retention users, and retention rate. The high retention rate is February 18.28%. The lowest retention rate is November 51.32%. The retention rate are vary significantly throughout the year, suggesting inconsistent user engagement. The second chart is area chart, the retention rate percent by month. Here, the January and February and December show the high retention. The notable dips in retention occur from the March to July, and which slightly recover in September and October. The third chart, I have used the funnel chart is total user, new users, and returning users. The total users 100.28K, the 100% of the users base. The new users is 19.9K, the 92.7% of total users. Returning users are 22.9K, are the 22.9% of total users. The last chart of this sheet is monthly distribution of users and new and returning. The October see the highest total users 18.6K and new 18.6K new users and 3.8K in returning users. The September 13.8K in new users and February 7.9K in new users also perform well. The December and May had the least number of users overall. The returning users remain constantly low across the month with October having the highest highest 3.8K. The third sheet is the engagement insights. Objective is analyze how user interact with the platform, focusing on the engagement and section details. The first chart I have used the donor chart. The new users is 93K 93K for 18% point 18.18 80% point 18% of users. The returning users are 23K 19.8 19.81K percent of users. The engagement rate are apparently visually as a matrix, but the lack of clear numeric breakdown. The engagement rate apparently visual like 0.02K, 0.02%. Inside the user significantly demonstrate traffics while returning the user engagement is minimal. The second chart is the engagement rate by month. Like the highest engagement, the February has the highest engagement rate. The other strong months are September, October, and December so higher than the average engagement. The lowest engagement is March and May have relatively lower engagement rate. The February high engagement could be indicate a successful campaign or target effort, while mid-year months to see dips. The last chart of this sheet is monthly distribution of views and views per section. The highest view is September 62K views and October 63K views. Lowest views March 26K views and December 25K views. The last sheet is the car metric performance. The objectives drive into car metrics and access their performance over time. The first chart I have used the table chart is first column is month car total users. Third is car new users, car car views. The total number of users accessing by car, the number of new users in each month, the total number of pages views in interaction within the car. The total users is 1,859. The new user is 1,552. Views is 4,349. The second chart is year over year changes in car views. The the percentage change in views across the year is to 2022 to 2025. 2023 and 2024 show the negative changes, while 2025 show the positive growth. Year over year, the third chart is year over year in car total users. Users show the growth trends. The negative trends are visible in 2023 to 2024, while 2025 is recovery slightly. The last chart of this sheet of this dashboard is monthly distribution of car new users, car total users, and car views. January has the highest car views, 621, with the significant new users growth. The platform see the constant but smaller number of users from February to December, with dip in December. The peak in car views occur in July 419, and September 449, reflecting the possible seasonal trends or campaign effects. This is all about the Dementin traffic analysis of dashboard. I have given all the insight, all the four sheets. I have given you the brief explanation, and and also I have made a I made a PPT. I have made a PPT. What I have explained in dashboard, that I have written all the inside, all the description, all the charts. I have described all everything, all the sheet of 4 pages, demonstrate traffic analysis, all demonstrate user acquisition, retention, the engagement insight, and the car metric performance. All this I have explained in the PPT. Also, I have described everything, all the chart, and also thank you for this opportunity for giving them to explain my dashboard, demonstrate traffic analysis. Thank you.